Hi guys, today it's a short video. I just want to show you guys our solution for a winter shelter for ducks. What we do with the water so they don't get so messy and we don't have the frozen water on the ground, and just explain the whole thing to you guys. So, quick to the point video today. One thing that's very challenging with ducks compared to chickens is that they are much messier and they splash water everywhere. And how do you do that in the winter time when they're not out on pasture and move daily, for example? How do you do it with the water when it freezes? And the deep bedding just tends to get very soggy, wet, smelly, hard to keep dry. Not the perfect environment, even though ducks are quite hardy with that. Well, we've come up with this solution. This is a chicken tractor that we use in the summertime to move daily. We have put it on a frame about 1 foot high, and we're gonna do a deep bedding. We're not gonna do it like with the chicken, where we from the beginning put 1 foot or 1.5 feet of deep bedding of wood chips in there because they scratch and dig their manure into it. Here we're gonna layer it slowly as the season progresses, and we have put it on these old half-rotten beams that we found somewhere. And we have left out this corner here where they can go on top to get water. Now we're gonna do a bigger water solution there where they can swim a little more as well. But this is a very cheap, very easy, simple fix. And under there we'll also put wood chips, and can easily switch those out once they get too soggy or stinky or frozen. And this way we hope that we will just be able to control the whole water situation. They have enough shelter in the back. There the deep bedding will be able to stay dry, and we'll just put new bedding in there once or twice a week depending on. And here in the front they have sunlight, they have the fresh air, and they can go up there to do their cleaning and their drinking in the water. And most of the water, not all of it, most of it will go on the ground. So that's just our solution for a non-messy winter shelter for ducks. Thank you guys for watching this. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Check out Facebook and Instagram where we do live updates for you guys. See you soon. Bye bye.